Today let's create this text effect with this cheetah image as quickly as we can. So from the Canva home screen I'm going to go to custom size and I'm going to choose 1000 by 1000 square. Then I'll go to elements and under recently used I've got this image of a cheetah. Now I'm going to go to apps and I'll type in font frame. Choose this one here. Now we can type in the word run. And I'm going to keep the font as Rubik, although there are other ones that you can choose from. Now I'm going to scroll down a bit and where it says outline, I'm going to click on the stroke style here and just take it down to about 50. So up the top here you'll see it's a thinner line now, and I'm going to change the color to white. Now I have this image selected at the moment, so then I can say use selected image and we can see the cheetah now appears up the top. I'll scroll down a little bit and I'll zoom it in, and then we can move the image around until the cheetah is in the picture. I'll just make it slightly smaller. Place the cheetah around here. Now I'm going to add to design. And then with this image behind, I'm going to remove the background. And I'll make this run a bit bigger on the screen, somewhere around here. And the next thing is to take this image of the cheetah and just pull it up to the top and grab a guideline. And I'm going to take this first guideline here and I'm going to put it right at the edge of the cheetah's foot on the run. Grab a second one and put it at the top of the cheetah's head. And now I want to resize this background one until it fits into those guidelines as well. Once you've done that, you can then move this image of the cheetah behind the image of the run and just zoom in so that you can line it up exactly. And then we can zoom out and there's the final effect. We can just get rid of these guidelines, close the sidebar, and now we can click on an object, go to position, go to layers, hold down shift and select both, and then click on group. And that will enable you to just move the image around to where you want it on the screen. And then we can go to share, download, and download as a PNG with a transparent background. And now if you want to, you can create a new slide, bring that new image in, and you'll be able to add effects to this. So we can click on it and go to edit, go down to shadows, a drop shadow. Again, we can increase the size and click on the settings here. You can make the shadow more intense. And then we could also add a different background to this. So we'll go back to elements and we can go to pop art background, go to photos, choose whichever one you want, and then just set that as the background. And there we have our final result. I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you today. Please do subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.